going to sharpen our image. And so we're going to close the basic and go to, let's see, where are we going to go to? Details. And we have the following settings. If you don't see the sharpening and radius details, click on to the right, and that brings up more information for you to work with, because it just can't fit all in the interface. We're going to go to, let's see what our settings. Change the sharpening value to 100. Okay, we're going to change the radius to 0.90. Our detail to 25, which is already there. Our mask to 61. Let's see, noise reduction is 0, and the color noise reduction is already 25. And that's it. We don't need to change anything else. Let's see, click and hold. All right, we're going to make some more adjustments. For right now, go ahead and make your adjustments on your sharpening.